Hi everyone, this is Daniel Scranton, and I'm going to channel for you today. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. We have arrived. We are the Hathors, and we are very happy to be here with you. We are ascending with you, alongside you, and in some ways because of you, because of the waves you are creating, because of the ways in which you are expanding, evolving, and becoming more of your true selves. All of that has a ripple effect throughout the galaxy and the universe. And we are now a part of your story historically, as we have been to your world. And we have done what we could to help. We love you immensely, and we shower you with our high frequency energies as much as we can. We also know that you have a lot within yourselves that you have yet to unlock, and we know that we can help you by delivering to you the energies and the codes that will help you to unlock more of what is inside of you. When you start to notice that there is more of a depth, more of a dimension to you and what you are, then you start to act accordingly. You start to think like a supreme being. You start to love because love feels best, not because someone or something deserves that love. You are meant to unlock these things within you at the appropriate timing. And we do work with your higher selves and the collective higher self of humankind in determining the perfect timing for each and every one of you to get more of what you need from the likes of us. We know that many of you are fascinated by Egyptian times and what was accomplished there. And you have evidence of those accomplishments, unlike with Lemuria and Atlantis. There is plenty of evidence that you've already had ET contact right there in Egypt. With an open mind, people can see that, can recognize the truth that you already have been visited and you already have been helped. And guess what, beloveds? More help is on the way, because more help is always on the way. And the more you suffer and toil and strive for a better life there on earth, the more you ask and the more you create. Now, you just have to relax and remember who you really are, so you can benefit from more of those creations and receive the energies that will unlock the codes. This transmission is a part of that unlocking. This channeling that you experience with those like Daniel here is a delivery system for more of the energies that are coming all the time to assist you. And we will always be here for you in the higher dimensional planes, holding space for you. But of course, we can do so much more than just hold space when you allow us to help. Put yourselves in a relaxed and receptive state at least once a day to get more of what is rightfully yours and to unlock the keys to your ascension. It is important for you to know who you really are and to know it experientially. And that's what this next phase of your spiritual evolution is all about. We know that you are ready for it, and we are convincing more and more of your higher selves that you are. We are the Hathors. We thank you, and we wish you a fond good day. Hi everyone. Namaste. Many blessings to you and yours. I love you guys. I'm doing this on Zoom again with local recording, which is a little risky because I've lost videos doing it that way, but not that I want to affirm that, but I have a backup plan now with my phone right here that you can't see, also making a video of me. So if this doesn't work out with Zoom, then I'll always have the backup. But the other one was freezing me. The other thing, and I think it's my Mac. I think it's the specific build of my MacBook Pro that has that issue with freezing videos with any of the programs that you use that are sort of built into the Mac. So, so that's been the wild ride for me of trying to figure out how to do this the best way for everybody. my announcements are many. Many of you have already started buying my Archangel Michael book, and the reason I know it's you is because I haven't been telling anybody else about it except this audience on YouTube. It's available on Kindle, Audible, and paperback. On Amazon, there's a link down below. I don't know if it's on it. It is on Amazon.com.au because I ordered my copy there, and I'm still waiting for it. It's late now, but there's a link down below in the description on YouTube for that book, or you can search for it. Just type in my name and Archangel Michael, and I'm sure it'll come up. It's called The 7 Signs of America. The 7 Signs of Humanity's Ascension. Yeah, and then I've got my 50% off sale going on now at danielscranton.com/session to get a 50% off a channeled reading with me using the coupon code LOVE, LOVE. Click apply at checkout. Scroll down if you're on your phone so you see it actually has been applied. And it's also good for channeling lessons with me at danielscranton.com/channel. The wait is long to get these to get yourselves in my calendar. Just know that before you purchase, because it is a long wait. It's next year. And also, accessing and developing your spiritual gifts. 3-week course starts tomorrow. danielscranton.com/gifts. 3 weeks, 1 hour each class on Zoom, recorded if you can't make it live. I teach, I lecture, I take you through processes, I channel, answer your questions, a little bit of everything. Psychic gifts, channeling, healing, all the gifts you can imagine is what will be covered in that 3 hours we have together. And the mega course on channeling starts December 15th, the newest installment of that at danielscranton.com/mega, MEGA. And the links are all down below in the description on YouTube. That's 18 hours, that course. So 9 2-hour classes spanning many months, starting December 15th, all recorded on Zoom. Can't make it live, no problem. A lot of people attend these courses by the video recordings that are made and sent out shortly after each class is over. Talea got a new microphone at Kids Stuff here at the mall. And it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not great, obviously. It's plastic, and the speaker's at the base of the microphone. It's a weird setup, but we now have a microphone, a drum kit of shamanic drums, keyboards, and a guitar, a princess guitar. So we can start a band. And my wife's been taking singing lessons, and I've had singing lessons. So we have the makings of a band here at the house. It's raining today, so Talea and I will be staying in this afternoon and playing, and probably playing with that microphone. And everything from here, my office view is nothing but green things. So it's all getting greener and thicker and more lush for me as I sit here. There's one big tree in particular that's right there that I get to look at all day, and then there's like all plants and smaller trees and grass and bushes. It's really quite the view. It's like a hill. It's like I'm facing a hill that goes up to the street. So it's all very cool. And that's all I have to report. Oh, the channel panel too, if you're interested in that, check the links down below. That's happening in 1.5 months now. It's hard to believe it's so close to us. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the book being out. I can't wait to get the hardcover version from my editor guy in the Philippines, who's gonna send it to me any day now, and then I'll have all the editions of the Archangel Michael book on Amazon, and I'll have to buy the hardcover for myself too. Thanks for watching, everybody. I love you guys. Namaste. Many blessings. Do subscribe to the YouTube wherever you see the option to click subscribe, and I'll be back here again tomorrow, and I'll do it again. Hopefully this worked. See you then. Bye-bye.